Hey folks, what a trailblazer here. Checking in at the Chipola River Greenway, Henson Conservation Area. We're on the Henson Trail, the Florida Trail here in Northwest Florida. And an old railroad runs through here. It's on part of the trail. It's the M&B Railroad, built in 1909 to 1972. Check this out, it goes all the way down there. Now the trail's overgrown over the railroad here. Well anyways, while we're here, I decided to find this geocache that should be planted around these railroad tracks. So I've been looking on my GPS here. Stay with me folks, we should find it. I'm not even sure what it looks like. Oh, folks, what's this? Found it. Little container here. Packed under the railroad track. Geocache here. Wet. See what we got here. So it's a little waterproof container. Here we just have a small little hiking log. We'll sign into that. Not very much items in here yet. But we're going to leave something here for the next traveler to discover. And sign into the log and secure this back up. Plant it back in this hiding spot here on the railroad tracks. Folks, there you have it. Geocaching here on the Henson Trail.